Hi everybody, I'm Shauna and this is Ring Light Crafts. We're going to do some pour painting here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tilt you right down. We're going to do a black and white pour painting. Let me see if I can readjust this so it's showing what I'm doing. There we go. I couldn't get it to move. Remember this painting from the other day? I actually don't like it as much as I thought I did. So we're going to go ahead and paint over it. And it's going to be a really simple technique. All we're going to need is a paintbrush or something just to smear the paint with. Because what I'm going to do is go ahead and take my black paint and just pour it right over top of this. And we're just going to cover this up. Although we probably don't need to. The other paint will definitely just hide it. But we're just going to do this anyway. Just because we're here. Add a wee bit more and not worry about it too much. There we go. I probably could get it a little bigger, better, but that's okay. Let's get this out of my way. Just going to throw this right directly into a garbage can. Now, I'm using acrylic paint, you guys. This acrylic paint has already been pre-mixed with the stuff to make cells and everything. So, we're just going to use acrylic black and acrylic white. So, since I already have black on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little container here. Let me readjust it just slightly. I'm going to take my little container here. And we're just going to go ahead and pour some black paint directly in there. Not too much because we already have black on the canvas. That should be more than good. Alright. Hopefully. Anyway, so we got some black paint here. And now I'm going to go ahead and open up my white, which I did not do. Go ahead and open up my white paint. And we're just going to slowly pour the white in there. Because we all know black and white is going to make gray. So we're going to do it slowly. And it's starting to look pretty good. That's more than plenty too. Let's just go right ahead and get rid of this. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to take it. And I'm going to actually, which way should we pour it? I'm going to go black first. And we're just going to go around, get some of that white coming on here. Go in circles. Nice little mixture. See the cells inside the container? Pretty cool, huh? Nice. Just get as much of that paint out as we can. Okay. And set this aside. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how cool that looks. We're just going to go ahead and move it one way, then the other, and back again. I'll get that little corner. Don't want to lose all of it, but get it to kind of cover it, hopefully. And go this way some. Come on, just a little, just one more spot. There we go. Look at the cells starting, you guys. I don't know if you can already see those cells in there, but look how cool that is on black and white. So let me go ahead and just turn this. Let me grab it right. I don't have a back frame, so there we go. Get a hold of that there. And we'll just get it to start pouring this way. Let me see, there must be something right there. We'll kind of get it to move. And get that. Get some of this so it doesn't go down. There it goes. Because I don't want to lose all these cells. I'm just kind of helping this white move down just a wee bit, and then it blocks it off. Now let's go back and see if we can pull it back some. Look how beautiful. We have any implied heat. That's awesome. Alright, I'm going to take off my gloves. Put that over there. Sorry, it went across the camera. And we're just going to take a hairdryer and add right over the top of it some heat. We're going to put it on low. Sorry about that. Let's see if it bubbles. Let's see if we can get on the top. Cells coming up. That is so cool. See if we can get some over here in this corner, since we had to aim it down. We'll just go back. Look how cool those are. There's some right in there. Here's a bubble. Let's see if we can get it to pop. Maybe not. We'll just come back. is starting to crack. Some people don't like that. I actually do. See, we're starting to separate and crack just a little. All I want is a little in this one. Last one just cracked there. Right over this way here. Alright, you guys. That was real simple and real fast. Now, the reason why it's cracking, you guys, I do believe is because there was glue in the mixture of the white. I don't have any in the black. I do have it in the white from an old mixture or an old... well, old mix, but I added new stuff to it. I just didn't clean it or empty it out. But I like the cracks myself. It just makes it, I don't know, I think it looks cool. But let's look at all these cells. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see them too well, but they're just amazing. Now, if I would have done the black on top, there probably wouldn't be as many cells. I've been discovering that the black and white, anything with the white in it seems to get more beautiful cells. It may not necessarily be true, just that with the stuff I'm using right now, it's true for now. But we'll be changing that in the future. So anyways, guys, I hope you like this simple black and white painting. I just love it. I think it's really cool. I just love it. I just love all these cells. So anyways, guys, as always, thank you so much for joining me. If you guys like this tutorial, please share and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget, you guys, as always, be blessed.